Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
The First Alert 4 newsroom in the last hour in a case of road rage in University City. It started on 170 just north of Delmar, and the shooting happened at the exit ramp for southbound traffic in University City. Our Kim Donahue has been looking at this case all day. She joins us now live.
David, right now you can see the normal traffic patterns at 170 and Delmar as people start to make their way home. But University City police say drivers came to a standstill this morning when they found a person who had been hit by gunfire in their car. And the suspect, police say, still hasn't been found. University police say this all unfolded around 8:30 this morning, around 170 South and the Delmar off-ramp when they were called for a shooting. Officers say they found one person in a car who had been struck by gunfire in the arm. According to the police department, the person was alone. Officers say they learned the shooting stemmed from a road rage incident that started on 170 South near Delmar. One driver says it's normal to see chaotic driving in the area.
It's an adventure every day. It really is. It's when you hit 170, it's just kind of a free-for-all race track situation. You have to be very careful.
Happened around 8:30 this morning on southbound I-170 near Delmar. Police say the victim was hit in the arm, is expected to be okay. Tonight, 33-year-old Octavian Carr is charged with assault and armed criminal action. No other vehicles or people.
Arrest in connection with a road rage shooting this morning on I-170. Octavian Carr is in custody tonight, charged with assault and armed criminal action. Charging documents show he thought the other driver cut him off, so he passed her at the exit ramp and pulled over. And when she stopped, he opened fire, hitting her in the shoulder. St. Louis 11's Kelly Hoskins updates us on the investigation.
Now, the University City Police Department would like to talk with anyone who may have information about this morning's incident, and they're encouraging drivers not to become a victim of road rage. Police are investigating a case of road rage in University City near the southbound exit of Interstate 170 and Delmar Boulevard. It happened around 8:30 Wednesday morning. 2 vehicles were involved and multiple shots were fired. We noticed one bullet hole in the front windshield of one of the vehicles. Police have confirmed that one person was shot, but not life-threatening.
People need to calm down, drive safely, and nothing is worth taking someone else's life about a car accident or them accidentally cutting you off. It's getting out of hand.
He felt the woman cut him off and let his anger get the best of him.